Hi guys, Mechanic Guru for another video. This one is for Hyundai Kona. This is a 2018, but it's for a lot of model for Kona. So I'm replacing the brake today, so I'm gonna show you how. So first you need to jack the car on the spot that is proper to jack on them. Second, you need to remove the wheel. This is a 21 millimeter. So 21 millimeter to remove the nuts. And if you have a lock nut also. After that, you get there. You're gonna have two. Wait a second. 14 millimeter. Right there, one here and another one there. Once you remove the caliper, you're gonna have the brake pad to remove on each side. You're gonna have those little where did I put them? On the brake pad you're gonna have those. Put another brake pad on the other side. So like I was saying, this is like this, and you have the disc in the middle. So after you need to remove the shim right there, and then you can remove the caliper bracket. There's one bolt here and another one right there. This one and the other one here. Those are also 14 millimeters, so you only need to have this size to remove like the brake on this model with the 21. A ratchet, maybe a torque if you want to torque them down, some brake cleaner. The bushing inside the slide pin on those one are pretty hard, or jams usually, because people don't use the right grease. I don't have the one that I use, but it's silicone based. This is the one that you want to use. So that's pretty much it. The torque for those or 45 35 to 45. I put 45 foot-pound, and those were something to 25 foot-pound, so I put 25 foot-pound on these. So 45 and 25 foot-pound, and there you go. After, you need to put the wheel back. Don't forget to grease also all the components that are sliding, and also your slide pin. So after that, the torque is around 80. Like, you can put 90 for the torque on the wheels. And that's pretty much it for replacing your brake, guys, on the Hyundai Kona. So thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe. Bye.